Here today, back in my favorite community of Rancho San Clemente in San Clemente, here in the Richmond Point community at our newest listing. Now, hey, spring is here and summer's just around the corner. All those long evenings, the best time for an ocean view sunset, it's right here in this home. It's a unique opportunity here in this neighborhood, starting with this huge oversized driveway space, corner location. The house is beautiful, detailed, and remodeled throughout and offers over 2,300 square feet of gorgeous living space. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are in this gorgeous home. It's the largest floor plan in the community, which normally offers 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with just a little over 2,000 square feet. However, this home at the time of the build was expanded by the builder to now include an additional office or den space and additional living area, and it pumps up that square footage to well over 2,300 square feet. You've also got 4 bedrooms upstairs, which we'll get to in a moment. You'll notice the gorgeous wood floors. They run through the entire home. Tall vaulted ceilings, updated light fixtures, updated windows, so much more to this gorgeous home, and the kitchen is also gorgeous. Let's go check that. All right, coming off of your formal living and dining room space is your main living area, which of course includes this stunning kitchen, which has been completely remodeled and updated, including these gorgeous satin finish marble countertops, and of course, a full suite of stainless steel appliances. And it flows right into your enlarged family room space. It's got lots of room for being with friends and family, and even a cute area to do games or other social activities. Finishing off your main level is of course a guest bathroom and a custom designed laundry room space that is unique to this home because laundry in these homes is usually in the garage. Upstairs, we're gonna find lots of spacious bedrooms and an ocean view deck. Let's go take a look. So here we are on the upper level of your new home. It is a meticulous home, and you'll notice that all of the woodwork is finished in crisp white paint. You've also got 4 bedrooms on this level, including your primary suite, with 2 guest rooms at the front of the home. And then behind me is the primary suite plus your 3rd guest room. Both of those rooms enjoy gorgeous ocean views. Let's go take a look. So here we are in your primary suite, which is at the back of the home and enjoys these amazing ocean views. It also features vaulted ceilings, keeping the home light and bright. And of course, the primary ensuite's completely remodeled and updated, just like the 2 other guest bathrooms in the home. Next to me is your 3rd guest room, which also enjoys those ocean views. That deck behind me is where you're going to want to spend a lot of time. Let's go take a look. All right, so second to your ocean views at this home is this amazing yard space. Right here, we're in kind of one of the more intimate sections of the yard, but it opens way up because of its great location in the community. You enjoy more yard space than the normal homes in this community. Here, she's developed a farm space even. She's great with gardening and growing vegetables and fruits. And you've got so much other space in the yard for entertaining your family and friends. There's even steps up to your ocean view balcony, so you can go enjoy a sunset in the evening or maybe some coffee in the morning with those great views. So much more at this house. You just must come and see it. For more information, details, photos, and video, visit the website 38finca.com. I'm Michelle Wilson with First Team Estates, Christie's International. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.